I think people always been wondering what it's like ordering from a marketplace at Best Buy. This is from Tech Outlet Center and it's a ROG Ally. So we're gonna do an open box. Tech Outlet Center always been cheaper compared to other sellers at Best Buy. They always been like from $20 to $50 cheaper. This one is for $489.99 for the ROG Ally, but right now they have it at $449.99. So I missed out on the deal. So we're gonna open it and see if it's worth it to buy it from TOC, which is a Tech Outlet Center, or just buy it from Best Buy open box. So let's open it up. The box is quite big comparing to the one from Best Buy. This pepper, and here's the Ally. Okay, the box is quite dirty. I saw these bubbles comparing to the one at Best Buy. The Best Buy one, the box is like perfectly, like brand new. So you see all these stickers, and look at all this massive packing tape. So let's open it up. So we got the stand here, the paper looking ROG stand, and the unit. I say the Best Buy open box one is much cleaner than this one. And it's hard to tell if there's any scratch on it, but you can see the D-pad is quite dirty. But so far I don't see any deep scratch. Rubber is still good on the joystick. Okay, and we get this box. All this manual and stuff that I never gonna look at. Check out the adapter. The plastic still over it. And the adapter. Guess that's everything. I'm gonna see if I could turn this on. Probably no, because the battery is not as good. Ooh, the battery's still on. I mean, this battery still good? Testing all the buttons seems good. Pretty long loading. I mean, if you guys low on budget, I don't see why it's a bad thing to buy from a marketplace. I mean, the refund would be much tougher. I'm not sure yet because I haven't done a refund from a marketplace seller before. Other than that, I don't know, look pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any noticing scratch on the screen. Okay, right now I'm going to test out the touch screen. Pretty smooth. Okay, anyway, it looks quite good. I will do an update on the comment section if there's anything any changes, like dead pixel or something like that. Okay, alright, thanks for watching.